If you just fix these 5 YouTube mistakes, here's what can happen.
When they get to the point of titling the video, they type it as the...
Now, once upon a time, it took him an entire year to get his first 150 subscribers. So what exactly are these 5 mistakes and how did...
You know, I see people YouTube gaming, they're just blindly. Couldn't stress the importance of having at least a game plan and doing some research. And I didn't do that for at least a year. I created content blindly without looking at trends, without looking at competition, without doing any research, and it showed. My content wasn't great. It didn't stand out. The viewership wasn't where there's new competition. And there's always people that are continuing to evolve within your niche. And if you're just doing the same thing time and time and time again, they're gonna click off. They may stay subscribed, which is fine, but when your new video posts, they may not click or point to like a Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, or Mr. Beast. They're there for you in content. And then during the off season, all of a sudden I'm playing Resident Evil 2 remake and I'm doing a let's play series of that, and then I all of a sudden make a video essay about Alan Wake or something. You know, it's something I'm passionate about, and clearly, yeah, I love those things, but that doesn't mean my audience is.
So true. Yes.
Whatever your value is that you are giving to your audience, it's important to stay consistent within that. It doesn't mean you can't explore within that niche, but don't stray too far if you can help it. But once you've grown to a certain point, to like a Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, or Mr. Beast, they're there for you. That's something I didn't do a very good job of in the first 3 years of my channel. It's hard sometimes to shut off creator brain and just